Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine. My name is Shayan and today we are going to learn some basics of WordPress. So the first slide is about what is WordPress. The WordPress is about, this is basically an open source software, which means this is not owned by any certain company. And if you will build your website on this platform, you will be the only owner of your site. This platform is basically built on PHP language and it uses MySQL database. Today, most of the websites are built on WordPress. Now, what type of websites are built on WordPress? Here are some main purposes for WordPress, some main websites which are built on WordPress, main types you can say. The first one is blog. So WordPress, you can build a very responsive and neat and clean blog on WordPress, and it has a lot of plugins and themes, very optimized plugins and themes for blog. You can either design your e-commerce sites, which can be either for your own brand or for drop shipping purposes. It can be either a business website, a membership site. Membership website means you have a specific content which is restricted to just members basically. So similarly, forum website, event website, e-learning websites, wedding websites. So here are some types for which WordPress is used, for which purpose we use WordPress basically. There are a lot of many other purposes too not mentioned here. The next question is why to use WordPress. This is very important question, often asked by me, why to use WordPress, as there are many other platforms too. So why I always prefer WordPress over other platforms is because of its very simple dashboard, which is very user friendly and very easy to understand. And the website usually we created on WordPress is very cost effective, as I already told you about open source software. As this is not owned by any certain company, you will be the only owner of your site. While learning about WordPress, while designing a site in on WordPress, you will know there will be no need to know about the coding language, and this is the best. This is the most important reason due to which I will always prefer WordPress basically, because I'm not a professional in language etc. So you can highly customize your WordPress according to your purposes. The website is fully secure. There are a lot of choices for themes and plugins. The website built by WordPress is very mobile friendly and SEO optimized. Here are some of the statistics usually showing how many sites on internet are using WordPress platform. So approximately 36.2% sites are using WordPress platform. About 2.4% are using Joomla, 2.3% Shopify, 1.6% Drupal, and 1.4% Squarespace. There are many other statistics too. We are not going to mention them. So these are some basic statistics of WordPress and many other platforms. You can see here about 36.2% of the sites are built on WordPress basically. Things are required to start a WordPress website. Here are the two basic requirements which are very essential to start a website. Either it can be related to event website, either it is a blog. These are two necessary things. The first one is domain name, and the second one is web hosting. You will need a domain name like youtube.com. So youtube.com is a domain name of any certain site. Similarly, web hosting, you will need a hosting company which will host your site. I will further tell you about this in some coming videos, inshallah. Thank you so much for watching my basic lecture on WordPress. This is lecture is for beginners specifically, and I will try to learn to give you a lot in some coming videos, and we will try to discuss each and every point related to WordPress on this platform.